What is numerology? You were born with two things that never change: your date of birth and the name printed on your birth certificate. Numerology use these two facts to create a map of who you are. Keep going until you reach a single digit. Unless you land on 11 or 22. Those are master numbers. Please separate readings from the same letters, and they are rarely the same number. That is why we call numerology is very powerful, decoding the purpose of your life. But the grid does something different. It gives the client a visual map of their own energy field in a 3x3 grid. Enter John Doe. The platform returns the pyramid. This is the new home of eternal light. Everything we do now lives right here on one platform. AI guidance, instant reports, free calculators, matchmaking, even live experts, all in one place. First, meet Aura Guide, your personal AI numerologist. Just type in your birth date and get real answers instantly. No forms, no waiting, just a conversation. The way learning about yourself should feel. You get your full profile, life path, expression, soul urge, destiny as a downloadable report in seconds. And if you want a quick answer, our free calculators are still there. Life path, name numerology, birthday analysis, no card, no catch. But here is the big one, matrimony matching, now powered by AI. 2 names, 2 birth charts, and our system reads the real compatibility behind them. Not just the percentage, but the why behind it. This is the one I am excited about today. And when you want a human expert, not just AI, you could book a live session right from the site. Loshu grid, name analysis, marriage analysis, brand analysis, all one click away. 9 videos in, you could read anyone. You know who they are. The 8-step consultation structure you are about to learn is the repeatable framework. From day one, our promise has been simple. Help create more numerologists, as I always say, and make it faster for seekers who find a real expert. No more endless searching. We have brought all of them together under aurayog.com. So go on, head to aurayog.com and come decode your numbers with us. I will